Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce using cream. Start by melting butter over medium heat and stirring in flour to form a smooth roux. Slowly pour in warm cream while whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Cook gently until the sauce coats the back of a spoon, then season to taste with salt, pepper, and a little nutmeg for a comforting, versatile sauce. For the best texture, warm your cream slightly before adding it to the roux to reduce the chance of lumps. Whisk continuously and keep the heat moderate so the sauce thickens gently and does not scorch. If the sauce is too thick, whisk and a splash more cream or a little milk. If too thin, simmer briefly until it reduces to your preferred consistency. You can easily customize white sauce by folding in grated Parmesan or cheddar for a cheesy variation that pairs well with pasta or vegetables. Fresh herbs such as parsley or tarragon brighten the sauce and add a fresh contrast. For more savory depth, sauté minced garlic or shallots in the butter before making the roux, then proceed as usual for a flavorful and layered result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.